Hello judges, I'm Jason Liao from the International Department of the Affiliated High School of South China Normal University. My project is Toner Safe Workstation. Every year, billions of pages are printed worldwide. Behind each page is a toner cartridge filled with ultra-fine black powder. When toner runs out, millions of cartridges enter the recycling system, dismantled, cleaned, refilled, and resold. It's a circular economy in action. Less waste, more recovered materials. From the outside, it looks like sustainability, but inside many recycling shops, there's a contradiction. Each time a cartridge is drilled open, a burst of toner dust is released right into workers' breathing zone. These particles are under 10 microns, so they are easily inhaled. Workers operate face level to the release point, so exposure is immediate. Most facilities rely on PPE and general ventilation, but masks only help after dust has already dispersed. Concealing ventilation can't capture sudden bursts at the source. In practice, safety becomes a checklist. Wear a mask and turn on the fan without knowing what's actually happening in the air. So here's the paradox. An industry designed to protect the environment only relies on a process that exposes workers to invisible risk. For the workers, that means long-term health concern. For companies, it means compensation, downtime, and regulatory uncertainties. In an ESG-driven market, the lack of measurable exposure control becomes reputational and governance risk. The industry generates profit, but it lacks verifiable dust control at the moment of release. And when regulators, auditors, consumers ask, "Show me the exposure data," most sites simply can't. To understand the competitive landscape, we mapped the industry using the strategy canvas. Current solution, PPE-only system and general ventilation, compete mainly on cost and basic protection. They score low on capture effectiveness and near zero on compliance readiness and real-time verification. No one competes on proof. So instead of just improving protection, we redefine value. Our solution is Toner Safe Workstation, a plug-and-play station that captures toner dust at the moment of release and verify performance in real time. Using near-source local exhaust ventilation, a negative pressure exposure, guided airflow, and a compact wet treatment module, dust is captured before it disperses. A commercial PM sensor monitors air quality near the operator's breathing zone and generates audit-ready data, turning "we think it's safe" into "we can prove it." Capture, trap, verifies. These experimental parts, LEV system, wet scrubbers, and PM sensors are major industrial technology. With CFD modeling, we optimize airflow geometry to reduce dead zones and target about 90% capture efficiency. To design the blue ocean, we apply the ERRC grid, eliminate open band dispersion and PPE-only dependence, reduce workflow disruption and cleanup time, raise capture effectiveness and worker usabilities, create real-time verification and audit-ready reporting, value factors not offered as an integrated solution today. But the blue ocean must expand demand. Using the 3 tiers non-customers, we identified Tier 1, compliance-driven recyclers upgrading EHS controls. Tier 2, smaller workshops avoiding high upfront cost and downtime. Tier 3, other burst dust industry, like e-waste pigments that have never had station-level verification. Globally, there are about 10,000 cartridge remanufacturing facilities, with an average of 4 stations per facilities. The addressable market exceeds 40,000 units. Economically, unit cost is about $3,200. Pricing is $4,000 to $8,000, with subscription options starting around $450,000 per month. Payback is roughly 10 to 12 months through reduced cleanup and improved compliance readiness. To validate these opportunities, we conducted field research with recycling plants in Europe and China. All interview factory owners ranked worker safety and regulatory compliance as their top operational priorities, and every one of them expressed willingness to participate in pilot testing. This strong alignment confirms real product market fit and supports our plan to scale across 15,000 global facilities, beginning with ESG-driven leaders. This is not a safety device, it's a new dust control infrastructure for the circular economy. Current solutions compete on protection, we compete on verification. We are not improving PPE, we are redefining value in toner recycling. Thank you.